I've got my Latestinbeauty, so it's a Conscious Beauty edit this month, and every month the edit theme changes. And what I like about Latestinbeauty is the variety of different products. So some months I kind of have struggled. I get a 9-item box, which is because I'm a previous subscriber to when they changed the way that they do the boxes. So they let the people who are currently subscribed stay on either 3, 6 or 9. However, anybody that joined up or left and came back, the only option now is 6 items. I think it's £12.95 plus postage and packaging, which after 6 months I think they reduce the postage and packaging or remove it. So I pay £18, that's including my postage and packaging, and I get 9 items. So as I say, some months I have found a struggle, but other months I just wait until the next week and there's things that pop on that I'm interested in. I think this was a good month this month. There was quite a few items, and what I've started to do though is think about this box as well in terms of, could I get things for giveaways if I can't find anything, you know, that I like. I could say, well, I like that, but I wouldn't use it, but I'll pop it in a giveaway. Or I like that, it would be good for a giveaway. So that is kind of going forward the kind of way that I'm trying to think about the box as well, because I don't get any subscription boxes at the moment, to be honest with you. If I can get ASOS, then that's great, but that's hit or miss. So this is my only subscription box, and I really enjoy it because you do get to pick what you need. You know, rather than just getting the same things over. There are a lot of brands, a lot of new brands that come in this box, a lot of the same brands. So yeah, it's a fantastic box for me. So this was an item that came on that I was really excited to try. It's Bondi Sands, which is the Australian tan company, and it is SPF 30 Coconut Beach Sunscreen Oil. So although I will not be going anywhere this year, I'll be using this if I'm sitting out in the garden. Now, an SPF, so some people will pay hundreds of pounds for moisturisers and serums and things. You know, what's going to make my skin look younger. SPF, honestly, stop any further damage, use a daily SPF. This one, you know, I would just use this one for my body, but for your face it's really important. Even if your moisturiser contains an SPF, or your foundation, add, you know, buy an SPF and add that on top. If you're going to buy an expensive moisturiser, yeah, still do that if you want, but buy a good SPF, and it's one of the best things you can do for your skin. So if you're young, get using the SPF and you won't have to worry about wrinkles. Yeah, some of them are hereditary, but most wrinkles before the age of 80 are due to environmental factors like sun and pollution. So that's something that got me thinking. So every day I'm on with the SPF now. Probably a bit too late for me, but I can still stop further damage. So yep, I'll be using that when I'm sitting out in my garden. Being Scottish, I burn really easily. So yep. I've got a lot of friends who are Scottish who've got fantastic, they can take a fantastic tan. And I always feel a bit healthier with a tan as well. I know that's probably wrong. But yeah, me now, if I'm sitting out, I'll always just grab the SPF. Just become a habit. I would never have done that before sitting at home. I would only ever use an SPF on holiday, which is silly because, you know, you can get burnt here. Therefore, you can damage your skin. And most of my skin damage was probably done when I was a kid, you know, running about. And I've got my 11s because I always squint in the sun. So since I got to about the age of 40, I thought, I don't care. My sunglasses are in my handbag. Whether it's winter, whether it's snowing, if it's sunny, I put my sunglasses on. I don't care. Before I used to care what people thought, but I thought, you know, the Italians wear their sunglasses all year round. And for me, the squinting, I'm trying to reduce the, you know, I don't want the 11s to get any worse. So yeah, sunglasses in my handbag. The next item I've got is from Botanics. It's All Bright with Hibiscus 3-in-1 Micellar Cleansing Solution for all skin types. This is a fantastic brand. I really like this brand. I've had several products by them. So nature inspired, the power of plants. And they've quite a new company, established in 1995, although that's when you start thinking you're old because you think that was quite recent. It's not that recent, is it? So yep, I got that. There was a point though in time where I would use micellar water to take my makeup off, and that would be my cleansing routine. Makeup off, cleansed. That was the way I thought. But now I would use micellar water to take my makeup off. Don't always use it, and then go on my cleanser. Sometimes I just use my cleanser to take my makeup off, but I usually try and double cleanse a couple of times a week. But that's fantastic. Micellar water. The next thing I got here is by a company called NAF Stuff. Look at that packaging. So what is it? It's a nail cuticle oil pen. A cuticle oil nail pen probably. And look at that packaging. It is like, remember strawberry, what was it, strawberry shortcake, the little dolls that smelt like sweet things. That's what it reminds me of. So there you go, there's your pen, and you squish it here, you turn it, no you just can't speak, you don't squish it, you turn this here, and then the cuticle oil comes in here, and you just apply it directly to your nails, however fashion, you know, you want to pop it on. So I do have a couple of cuticle oils that I need to get through, but I thought this might be handy just to keep by my desk or in my handbag. And I love the cute packaging. That sold me the cute packaging. And I do kind of need to try and get into a better habit. I keep a cuticle oil at my desk, but it's hit or miss whether I use it or not. So this next item, I've already opened it because I'd started to film this. Steve is off this week and he got home from the shops and shouted me down while I was in the middle of filming. So I thought I'll just restart. I'm rubbish at editing. And this is Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Mind Rollerball Focusing and Smoothing. Soothing, not smoothing. I can't speak today. So it's just the regular rollerball there, and de-stress your mind. I've got lots of these and I really do like them. This one smells kind of lavendery. So I just pop them on my pulse points. Obviously, don't just go and put them on your skin. I would test it first in case there's anything you're allergic to. But yeah, it smells lovely. This one's very, it's not overpowering. It's got a lovely scent. I quite often give these to my son. He likes these as well. So I might kind of pop this one in my package that's going to Stephen. But I saw that on there and I thought I would order that. The next item I picked up was by a brand that I love, Dr. Organic and Bioactive Skincare Organic Moroccan Argan Oil Instant Tightening Eye Serum. There you go, 30 mils, instant tightening. Interesting. So it says for healthy aging, and this is the packaging here. Kind of glass, which is good, you can recycle that. So yeah, apply a small amount of serum to the skin on the outside of the eye, gently tap towards the nose until product is absorbed. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I've got a few eye products that I will need to kind of get through before I use this. So if you buy an eye serum, would you still put on your eye cream? I'm not sure. I need to check. So yeah, its organic products are always free from paraben, SLS, mineral oil, formulated with a selective blend of natural and organic ingredients. So there's lots of good ingredients in here. I'll need to find out a little bit more, see if I do put this on in the eye cream. So if anybody wants to see a video of how I get on with this, please let me know. I like to do reviews now. I just used to be happy doing reviews when I did my empties, but there's some products I like just to talk a little bit about that I've used and enjoyed. So this is again from Botanics, All Bright with Hibiscus Illuminating Radiance Balm. I don't know what it's I don't know what it's radiating. Skin is left looking healthy and revitalized. Yeah, but how do I use it? So yeah, I need to go and Google how to use this. Where I should put it in my routine. That always concerns me. You know, you kind of wonder. So for years I probably put my facial oil on and then my moisturiser, and I was watching something and it was like moisturiser and then facial oil. So at night when I use my night cream, I put my facial oil on after, not before. But I think it just depends what you like to do. But I would like to work out where this goes in my my beauty kind of regime. Every day I'm very good. I cleanse my face, I use my toner, I use a serum, I use moisturiser, then I put an SPF on. At night I kind of do similar. I love to use night masks now because they're in my product inventory. I use them a couple of times a week and I'm really loving them. However, I would then normally use a night cream on the alternative days, a night cream, and use an oil after it, but I'd still do my toner, my serum, my night cream, my oil. So I'm loving the oil that I'm using at the moment, and I've done a video on it which will be up soon. And this is another one. I'm like, what is this? Maroc Almond on Cream, and it is Nourishing Hair Mask. Now, I've never heard of this company or this brand, which is what's great about Latestinbeauty. So this is, oh, it's got a seal on it. This is a hair mask. As you know, I've got a few hair masks in my collection, but once I've got through them, I'm not necessarily finished them all, but once I've got through some of them, I'll pop this on and see how I get on with it. Love getting this box. It's like you forget what you've ordered as well, so it's a lovely treat. Although I had given Freya a box when I went over for Lachlan's birthday, and I put their Easter things in, you know, their bath bombs and things. So when she saw the box on the counter, she was like, is that for me? I was like, oh bless, it's actually for me. So this is Anika. This is a fantastic brand. It's their Bold Lash vegan mascara, and it's not tested on animals, and I really do enjoy this brand. I had an eye cream from them, and it's quite expensive, so when you see it in Latestinbeauty, I just have to snap it up. They did have other products, and some of them I did miss, but when I saw this one, I thought, oh, I need to get it. Trusted worldwide, Anika is one of the world's highest certified beauty brands. So look at this. Big, bold mascara. That's fantastic, isn't it? Actually running out of mascara. Whether or not this is any good for me. So I've actually been getting away with using mascaras that aren't waterproof because I'm not really leaving the house. However, when I go back to work, I will need a mascara that doesn't budge, because as soon as, you know, the sun hits my eyes or the wind, I've got really watery eyes, and I don't want to be sitting at work with panda eyes. But you know, while I'm still kind of sitting in the house, I can get away with it. But I'm really looking forward to trying this. It does look like a big bold mascara. And okay, what have I got here? So one of these I did order, and I don't know if I've actually got a freebie this month. I think I have. I ordered the Elizabeth Arden Advanced Ceramide Capsules Daily Youth Restoring Serum. So I think there's 7 days worth in here. So that's that. There we go. That's the capsules. So this does say sample not for sale. Smooth serum over cleansed face and neck morning and night before you moisturise. So I'm really looking forward to trying these. I know Elizabeth Arden is not cheap, so when I saw that I thought, oh, I'm going to give that a bash. But this has been thrown in as well. So this is another serum, hyaluronic acid ceramide capsules, hydro plumping serum. Again, this goes on your cleansed skin before you moisturise. So I will use one and then I will try the other. I'll let you know how I get on. Really looking forward to trying these. The little capsules I'm sure are quite gimmicky, but that's what Elizabeth Arden does, these little capsules. I think, you know, it's a lot of plastic. Well, I don't know if it is plastic. I don't actually know what it is. 7 capsules, 7 capsules in total, so it won't be a week's worth if you're using it twice a day. So anyway, I'm looking forward to trying them. Is this the same 7 capsules? Yeah. So if you're using it twice a day, you know, within a week I'll have finished both of them. So I think that's a freebie, which is fantastic. I also got this, the Elizabeth Arden ceramide capsules. I got the Botanics All Bright Radiance Balm, which I need to check out what that is. The Anika mascara. The Maroc hair mask. Now I've not opened it, but I could put that in a giveaway as well. The Bondi Sands SPF 30. The Botanics All Bright Cleansing Micellar Water, which I'm looking forward to using. The NAF Stuff gorgeous packaging, cuticle oil pen. And last but not least, I've got 2 products, the Aromatherapy Associates roller ball and the Dr. Organics Organic Moroccan Argan Oil Instant Tightening Eye Serum. So that is my 8 items plus my freebie. That's 9 items for £18 from Latestinbeauty. And I will pop up how much it would cost me to buy them in the title of the video if anybody's interested, and I'll do a wee breakdown in the description. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.